If your Gmail sidebar looks like a digital junk drawer where every single label is fighting for space, you are actually making your workday harder than it needs to be. Most people just create label after label until they have to scroll forever just to find one specific project. The fix for this mess is nesting your labels, which basically means creating a folder structure that keeps everything tucked away until you actually need to see it. Stick around until the end of this tutorial because I'm going to show you a shortcut that lets you create these subfolders instantly without even opening your settings menu. The reason your inbox feels so chaotic right now is that Gmail does not use traditional folders like your computer does. It uses a flat filing system where every label sits on the same level by default. When you have 20 different labels for different clients or personal projects, they all get jammed together in alphabetical order. This creates a massive wall of text that forces your brain to work harder just to scan your mail. By nesting them, you are telling Gmail to group related items together, which visually cleans up your sidebar and helps you find what you need in seconds. To get started with a brand new organization system, look at your left-hand sidebar and click on the plus icon or the button that says Create New Label. A box will pop up asking for the name of your new label. Let's say you want to make a main folder for your finances. Type that in first. Now, if you want to put a specific subfolder inside it, like one for receipts, you will create another new label and type in the word receipts. Before you hit save, look right below the name box for the option that says Nest Label Under. Check that box and a drop-down menu will appear. Find your main finance label in that list and select it. Once you hit Create, you will see that Receipts is now neatly tucked under the Finance category. If you already have a bunch of labels and they are currently a mess, you do not have to delete them and start over. Just hover your mouse over the label you want to move and click on the 3 vertical dots that appear on the right side. Select the Edit option from that menu. The same window from before will pop up. Check the box to nest the label and pick your parent folder from the list. If you change your mind and want to move it somewhere else, like under a different project, you just repeat this process and select a new parent label. It is a very flexible system that grows with your needs. Since you stayed through the setup, here is that pro tip for saving time. You can actually create a nested label on the fly while you are naming it. Instead of clicking through menus, just type the parent name, then a forward slash, and then the sublabel name. For example, typing work/urgent will automatically create the subfolder for you. Now that your inbox is organized, you should check out how to use Gmail filters to automatically send emails into these new labels so you never have to manually sort your mail again.